At the University of Warwick, our infinite curiosity inspires our research, challenging our understanding of human behaviour, shaping better institutions, creating organisations of the future through innovation and technology, shaping a digital landscape where everyone can benefit from new technologies, tackling the most pressing health challenges of our time, breaking down barriers to knowledge and opportunity, sustaining life for the future of our planet. This is research without boundaries. We're working together. There's more than tackle the challenges of today. It lights the way to a better tomorrow. Search Warwick Research Spotlights.